Hey Beautyistic family, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something that promises to refine your skin and take your skincare routine to the next level without clogging up your pores. We're talking about the Benefit the POREfessional Cleanse Friends 2-piece set. If you've ever struggled with large visible pores or uneven skin texture, this one might just be what you're looking for. Now let's get into it. The set includes two products, the POREfessional Good Cleanup and the POREfessional Get Unblocked. Both are designed to target oily skin concerns and provide nourishment, but in slightly different ways. The first product in the set, the POREfessional Good Cleanup, is all about giving you a deep clean without stripping your skin. The lemon extract helps shrink the appearance of pores while giving the skin that fresh feeling. Yuzu extract comes in to smooth everything out, and bisabolol ensures your skin feels comfortable and soothed. It's perfect for anyone who deals with oil but doesn't want to dry out their skin. It promises a good cleanse without any irritation. On the other hand, the POREfessional Get Unblocked is all about nourishment. Grape seed, jojoba seed, and avocado oils are packed into this formula to condition the skin, while ceramide NP works to lock in moisture. It helps to restore balance, leaving your skin looking healthy and hydrated, even if you have oily areas. Bisabolol makes an appearance here too, to keep things feeling calm and comfortable on the skin. This product is a great way to ensure that your skin doesn't get too stripped after using the cleanser. When it comes to incorporating this set into your skincare routine, both products are very easy to use. I've been testing them for the past couple of weeks, and I can confidently say that the texture is silky smooth. The cleanser lathers well, but it's not harsh, and my skin doesn't feel tight afterward, just refreshed and ready for whatever else I'm using in my routine. The Get Unblocked moisturizer sinks in beautifully, providing the perfect balance of hydration without feeling greasy. Now, there are some standout features. First off, the fragrance. It's subtle but pleasant, and I've found that both products have a clean, fresh scent without being overpowering. As for performance, the cleanser really does seem to minimize the look of my pores, and I'm loving how smooth my skin feels afterward. The moisturizer doesn't leave any residue, but my skin feels plump and nourished. That being said, let's talk about the cons. The price point might be on the higher end for some, especially since this is a set. While both products do work well and provide good results, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives out there. Also, if you're someone who loves a super intense scrub or exfoliant, these products are gentler than that. So if you need something stronger for pore cleaning, this might not be it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Let's talk value for money. When you consider the ingredients, like the nourishing oils and pore refining extracts, this set seems like it can deliver on its promises for most skin types, but the price might feel steep for those with simpler needs. That said, if you're looking for a comprehensive set that cleanses, nourishes, and refines pores, it might be worth the investment. The overall quality of the formula backs up the price. As for alternatives, if you're after something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other pore refining cleansers and nourishing moisturizers out there, but you might miss out on the dual benefit of cleaning and hydrating in one go, like this set offers. After a couple of weeks of use, the POREfessional Cleanse Friends set has proven to be a solid option for anyone looking to refine pores while maintaining hydration. My skin feels smoother, and the texture has definitely improved, especially when I use this combo together. I do feel like it's a great fit for people with oily to combination skin, but those with sensitive or dry skin can also benefit, thanks to the nourishing ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this set, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. I'd love to hear about your experience. And remember, the link to purchase the product is down below in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.